Meet Jack. Jack makes his living by dropshipping, but has a problem. He just received a notice that his seller account has been suspended. How does he fix this? Jack quickly realized it was not going to be easy to get his seller account back, and that he needed a plan to continue his business. Jack asked the AI how to find products he was allowed to dropship and keep his inventory in sync. The answer was the seller helper. Jack created a free account, clicked the seller Automator link, and connected his sales channels. Within seconds, Jack found so many products he wanted to sell, spanning thousands of categories. After Jack sent his product listings to his sales channel, he began receiving orders and shipment notifications right away. Thanks to the auto pricing and all the other features, Jack is making lots of profits without having to cancel his orders or receiving violations. Fortunately, he discovered the seller Automator by the seller helper. You too can have success just like Jack.